Growing cities, growing waste, a challenge for tomorrow. Each person produces over 1 kilogram of waste per day. Now, imagine that figure multiplied by the millions living in Spain. The result? Tons of daily waste in major cities, bringing congestion, neglected public spaces, pollution, and a significant environmental footprint. At Envac, we are transforming how cities manage their waste, making urban living more livable, efficient, and sustainable today and for generations to come. Through pioneering design and urban regeneration projects, Ecobarrio de Vallecas in Madrid in 2022, a forward-thinking new neighborhood emerged in the former municipal zones of San Francisco Javier and Nuestra Señora de los Ángeles, powered by the Envac system. Waste is transported through a sealed underground pipe network to a central collection station. Disposal points are discreetly integrated into the urban landscape, taking up minimal public space. In the Ecobarrio de Vallecas, over 1,500 households use 24/7 waste disposal, 365 days a year. Automation using machine learning ensure optimal performance, enabling the system to predict and adapt to patterns of use in real time. With Envac's pneumatic waste collection systems, cities become safer and less congested, especially in pedestrian areas. Cleaner, more inclusive, and eco-conscious urban environments that raise living standards, improve recycling rates, boost operational efficiency, and lower life cycle costs. Envac, innovation for future generations.